Once your time is up, everything wey you dey do before, wey you dey succeed dey do dem, go come later dey turn against you. Nothing will seems to work again. That is the power of prayer, and that is also the power of karma. When God say, this time around, your end don come, e don come be that o. Shakara don end o. End o, shakara don end o. End o, Natasha don see disgrace, shakara don end o. My beautiful and amazing people, make una come hear wetin I dey hear. I say since morning wey dis information burst the information center, I am like, could this be true? Say if dis information is correct, na im be say Two-Face don allegedly go carry wetin go finally kpai am. And dey go kpai am, nothing go remain. No be Annie wey be say dem be talk am, the family of Two-Face talk am say allegedly Annie put one or two for inside food, put for the both of dem, say make the both of dem chop, make dem kpai, say she don tire for dis life and she don tire the way Two-Face dey treat her because of the love wey she get for am. She gree make the two of dem kuku kpai go, make dem go continue their love for heaven. Dis one no be like that o. Dis one, e go kpai you clean mouth. According to the information right now, my people, e shortalize me, I no go lie una, concerning dis DNA wey burst out for Natasha pikin wey she born for Two-Face. Una hear the alleged news say Two-Face go behind Natasha go do DNA for pikin wey she born for am, whether na boy, whether na girl, na only God na im know. Wey im come out with result say na negative, 99.1% shows that the pikin no be im own. Couple with the fact say there is no singular resemblance with him and the pikin. Im come dey like wonderland say me wey I born 7 children, all the 7 children nowhere dey appear wey you no go know talk say dis one na Two-Face na im born dis one so. Whether dem be carbon copy o or dem be photocopy o, you must sha know talk say dis one na Two-Face get am. But Natasha own case, e no look alike. But people no even still really wan talk because sometimes children change identity. Sometimes they go resemble you sef for small. When they later dey grow, they go change, resemble your cousin, resemble anybody wey they wan resemble. If husband and wife sef can marry and start looking alike, wetin be children wey they no go later change? So that one sef no be even be the koko. But Two-Face come dey say e dey observe one or two. Im mind dey tell am say no be am at all at all. At least small suppose dey. Couple with people wey come dey drag am like I pass my neighbor generator. Dey put am for im body woto say go and do the needful. When Two-Face later do the needful, e come bring out result. Natasha na that time, she start dey show her true color, start dey show herself in a way, saying that result na fake. Say na obodo oyibo she wan go do am, this one, that one. Make we no come dey go back to the story. They end up going to Esama of Benin, wey be Natasha grandpapa house. Say they wan carry this complaint go, say e don pass be careful. Say see o, see Two-Face complain, see Natasha's own complain. If the both of them dey join am together, they are still in one direction, still stating one particular thing. So in order to be sure say they are on the right track, let them just forge ahead with the DNA. Since Two-Face don do im own for Nigeria here, Natasha say na obodo oyibo she want. Okay o, Isama of Benin allegedly come talk say im go do the DNA for them. And na im go pay o, but na 2 people from Two-Face own side, one person go come. From Natasha own side, one person go come. The 2 of them go follow go the obodo oyibo, go collect they will collect sample, go collect the DNA result, come. Natasha say lie she no gree. Na that one they try to settle, na im the real father of that child burst out o. Na we come dey hear the story from beginning to the end, how it all started. My people, make una draw una chair come, say we are on a long thing. If this information is correct, my people, una go agree with me say order go, it is finish for Two-Face. Before I go cap una the cocoa of the cocole, make I no come forget to do the needful. Say omo, even me myself, the thing weak my body like idodo wey fall for inside oil. I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, make una come hear drama or story full ground. Na him dey start dey give us information from beginning to the end. E come dey even dey align with wetin Cutie Juice once upon a time come out come tell us. Una know say when Two-Face come out come yarn wetin im yarn, e bin dey carry head dey find Natasha stomach dey go. Wan go lis ten to pikin wey just dey form wey never reach anywhere, all because e wan pepper online in-laws, pepper Annie wey dey for rehab, meaning Natasha is pregnant that time. At some point, we no come dey see pregnancy say at least by now, Idibia suppose don get, this belle suppose don grow now. Pending, you know say we sabi count months well, we online in-laws. They dey count am, nothing to write home about. Na im Cutie Juice come out, come talk say e be like say that belle wey Two-Face dey bin dey carry head dey go dey find for under. E be like say the belle no dey again o. They don use am catch Two-Face last, so they don use belle hold am make him do proposal, make him do engagement, make him come yarn wetin im yarn o. Belle no dey again o. They talk that narrative, everybody enter house say talk. Anyhow wey they wan do their life na their business. That one pass. Before you know, another one come. Na that another one na be that time wey Gistlover and the Cutie Juice, the both of them put together, come out, come talk say as we speak right now, as they speak right now, say Natasha and Two-Face they dey for rehabilitation. Say Mama Natasha carry Two-Face and Natasha go drop them there today, making it the 10th day where they don't stay for there. Say make we hold on, they go bring more information for us. When they go bring more information, they come talk say they don't finally set the Two-Face and Natasha free. The same mama don go set them free after 10 days of staying in rehab. I don't know that one. I still remember the tori that time. Gistlover and Cutie Juice na him bin carry am come. We will call the talk say wetin happen when she go carry them go drop them for rehab. Say no be small thing o. Say Natasha bin come carry belle allegedly. When he carry the belle now, too much of ikpe as she no fit do without am. They take one or two, use and go scatter everything wey God don form put for there. Pikin come kaput. As pikin kaput, she no still rest o. She still dey take one or two. E be like say nothing even happen. They call the mama, make the mama come take care of her during that time. The mama take care of her, finish, go. Come advise her, say make she change so that if another one come, make another one fit stay. This girl shake head, say no wahala. She tell im mama, say no problem. When im mama go finish, they start again with Two-Face. They no rest. E still dey take am. So e reach the one wey e take, come go House of Assembly. Na be that time wey we say e do finish, come go the as she dey waka, the catwalk, cloth wey e wear, na so e open e nyash wa. E nyash almost show for the whole wide world. Now the mama say no, it's getting out of hand. Now e jack them, go put them for rehabilitation. Now, after the whole drama put together, e be like say she come later dey find pikin. She come lie now for Two-Face say she don get belle again because you know say Two-Face, anything that has to do with children, he no dey use am dey play. He like children well, and na him make God kukuma settle down, turn am to Father Abraham. Any gbagan woman don collect, any gbagan he don collect, im mechanism, he no dey play at all. When making dey call himself Puna mechanic, he no dey miss target. Basmati style here and there, he no dey use am dey joke, and any gbagan he don sup. But this time around, gbagan, he no sup again. Based on one or two reasons, say normally God na God, na him dey give. No be you, na him go just give yourself. So, and Natasha want make they really marry as at that point in time. So she needed something that she will use to convince him, say, oh yeah, let's do it. Na she come talk say she get belle. Una dey follow the story at all? As she say she get belle, she say and again she no want make this belle grow wey dem no go do the marriage oo. Say make dem do the needful ASAP before the belle go grow wey the whole villagers go know talk say she don go do one or two outside marriage, or wey dey go come dey laugh her say she use belle take hold two face. Una know say that time wey dem marry, una see small trace of small small belle for her body according to online in-laws. Say this one wey Natasha belle swell up like this, e don get belle ni. My people, they say no be belle o. E wear one or two for that place to know say no be belle according to the information allegedly. Say no be belle o. Na she use am like that, do am makeup, put that thing for there like say na belle. Dem marry finish. In order to cover her track, dem come go meet this family, say dem wan do surrogacy. This family again na people wey be say they no too balance, they no too get like that. But if na pikin e surplus, dem gather am dey throway. Like even the one wey the wife of the man now wey dey carry Natasha go meet, the wife of the man now get belle. They even dey think say dem bin wan even comot the belle. Dem do, e no gree comot. Na im dem leave am for God. So at some point, dem come carry Natasha go meet dem say toh make she discuss with dem, make dem know wetin dem go do in conclusion, whether dem go do the surrogacy so that the woman go born the pikin give her. Then she go pay them. E just be like adopted. And maybe depending on the year, depending on their agreement. Natasha now went there, they agreed. Now the agreement was that they go vanish after Natasha don pay them all their money finish. Nothing like say I dey go come back or this one, that one. She go pay, they go sign and seal am. They no go show face again. Even if they show face, na dem sabi because they already sign am say no be their pikin. They no born pikin give anybody. They don pay them. So she will pay them everything complete. The same thing wey happen wey QT Juice come expose say she go collect hair. They do makeup for her a traditional marriage. Till today, she no pay the girl. The girl don drag her tire. Natasha say make she go ahead dey drag her. Say she be politician. That dragging dey help her. I never see that kind matter before. Say dragging dey help your political career instead of to bring her. No be bring down. Na unnecessary dragging dey bring person down. But Natasha say she na public figure. She be a politician. That dragging go help her to gain more relevance according to her. Now they say person wey do surrogacy again for her, where they don't agree, they don't sign, say they go seal am, nothing like they go come back, they go settle them, make they go. Then kuma they agree, say to at least if they collect that money, as huge as the money is, they go use am cater for their other children, take send some of them go outside country, make they go study. So that by the time they study, they remain there, they get paper, do whatever, they go remember house. So that that way, it go reach everybody. They don't agree. The mama don't agree with him wife, say toh that's the only way. Instead of the way they will come go through away the pikin last. No, I make they use and get money, and the pikin go do well for anybody hand where he find himself. Knowing fully well say this one a politician self, she get money. Now they agree. Guess what now happen? Now they come carry the same hospital. Now Natasha carry the girl go to go born the pikin. When the thing too come they do the Natasha the same day, they carry them go the same labor room. They come take Two-Face, make him stay outside. Only God knows how they were able to maneuver their way according to the information. Wey make me they talk and say, Omo, it is unbelievable. This whole thing, like it dey shock me as I even they talk am. They maneuver their way, enter the place. They pursue Two-Face, make him go sit down for outside. When that one born, they carry am give Natasha. As they carry and give Natasha, everywhere close. They come back house. Okay, Natasha been pay half money the very beginning. He pay half with the hope say if they don't born the pikin, he go pay the rest. According to the information, allegedly, that she will pay the rest if they don't born the pikin. They born pikin finish, they carry give her, she go. She no pay balance. Now where the pikin now don't they cause commotion, don't they bring gbas-gbos, don't they bring drama upon drama. Natasha no gree pay. After they don't carry pikin go church, do dedication, do naming, do everything. Pikin now don't they cause drama. Now the man now, he come be say wrong target. He came at the wrong hour. But he did not come at the wrong hour because that is not their agreement. Getting to how many months now where they carry pikin give Natasha. Dem no see anything, no final result, no final money. Na im the man come call her at this hour. Na im she come talk say make the man come, say the pikin dey with her mama, make the man go collect im pikin. Say she no do again. Na im the man say lie lie oo, say dem no dey do like that. Say in as much as say dem bin don sign am, seal am, do everything put together, even if im go collect im pikin, she must give am that money. Say im go make sure say e drag her enter house. If dem push am, im go come expose that woman for this Obasanjo media space. Hey! Na im I come dey talk now say e don reach this one. Now Natasha come dey talk am say the pikin sef, e don become a thing of talk wey be say even im grandfather don dey aware of. Something wey dem do in the hidden, dem don dey carry am, dey come dey bring am in the physical now. So anything wey wan scatter, make e scatter. Say anything wey the man like, make the man do. My people, no be small thing oo. I am like, if this information is correct, my people, no be kpain na im Two-Face chook im hand like this oo. No be to kpai na im remain like this oo. If not, make it make sense. Why would a woman take a decision without her husband's consent? Why would she even be using a child to take capture the man because of say you wan make him marry you by fire by force? You come use pikin take hold am. Is that the height of desperation? When they say all this desperado, make person fear them. Some men go think say maybe you wey talk say make dem fear them, you no know wetin you dey talk. Omo, things really dey happen oo. Some women can go extra mile. Now dem don kukuma marry the marry. Dem don carry shinap, dem don carry kolanut, come carry alligator pepper now carry give Two-Face make im chop. How e wan come take leave this marriage now, my people? Oh, wey dem don do full for Two-Face face that day. Carry alligator pepper wey get pepper small. Dem fetch am 7, give am, e chop. Dem put some for im nose, put for im mouth. E don chop finish now. How e wan come take talk say e no go do this marriage now? Now pikin, dem don find out say no be am at all oo. Una hear the story. Now Two-Face, e cannot leave her because e don swear in, swear out. Hey! It is well oo. Make I talk like Mr. Ibu. I off totally. I no even know what to say or what to do at this point in time. Now papa of pikin say e go disgrace them. He no mind to collect im pikin, but you see that money, agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. It has come to stay. Nothing wey anybody wan tell am, e no go gree. E must collect that money. E carry im credit wey e sabi hold people, carry am enter surrogacy matter. E carry im credit wey e sabi hold. You see say this one na hair vendor. This one na pikin matter oo. No be ordinary matter wey you go use child's play use am dey follow am. My people, na the matter wey dey ground oo. I say make I tear this, come drop am for una oo. Make una come chook mouth oo. What is this? According to law now, is it punishable? Can the man punish Natasha because of this particular act? Or what are your take? Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.